All you want is my hunger.
Halloween kind of isn't really a vibe this year.
Nothing in between, never met you lost.
Things have been hectic, but we survived.
You were born, it was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, hooray.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't
What's
changed.
good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This one is very impromptu. Halloween is in a day or two. I don't know. Today is Saturday, October 29th at 2 o'clock. Derek is pumping gas right now. Oh, it just stopped. But we are filling up because we are on our way to Canon, our nephew's 3rd birthday. So super exciting. Just grabbed a 6-pack of beer and we are about to get on our way. We're running a little bit late, but not really. So yeah, today should be fun. I think I'm gonna vlog for the next couple days when we carve pumpkins and stuff like that. There's Derek, and yeah, I will catch up with you guys when we get there. I'm not sure how much I'll vlog, but we'll see. chicken nuggets are dank.
Yeah, just give me like a 20 piece or something, and spicy deluxe. Okay.
You don't want a meal, or?
Sure, get the spicy deluxe meal. And then like a 20 piece nugget.
Holy shit. Really?
That's not that many. I usually have 2 20 pieces in McDonald's.
I've got a P2, sir. I'm not sure what they do. Usually they give you a receipt, because I didn't get one.
Well, it doesn't look like she had a printer on her.
Well, the second girl did. So yeah, I got you 2 8 pieces because it was that or 12. Which, I know you probably would have wanted more, but...
A 12 and an 8.
Well, you know.
That adds up to 20.
You get what you get.
You owe me 4 nuggets.
No, I don't.
But you got the sandwich?
Yes.
And I'm getting fries.
Mm-hmm.
It'll come with something to drink too?
Mm-hmm. I got you Coke Zero.
I figured you'd be done ordered already. You were next. Are you gonna have to open your door to grab it?
What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what they do. Usually they give you a receipt, because I didn't get one.
Well, it doesn't look like she had a printer on her.
Well, the second girl did. So yeah, I got you 2 8 pieces because it was that or 12. Which, I know you probably would have wanted more, but...
A 12 and an 8.
Well, you know.
That adds up to 20.
You get what you get.
You owe me 4 nuggets.
No, I don't.
But you got the sandwich?
Yes.
And I'm getting fries.
Mm-hmm.
It'll come with something to drink too?
Mm-hmm. I got you Coke Zero.
How much be it on? I figured you'd be done ordered already. You were next. Are you gonna have to open your door to grab it?
What do you think?
Yeah.
She's not gonna expect me to open my door. Watch. Hi.
Heather, what was the name?
Kayla?
How's your day been going?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good as well. Very busy right
But yeah, no, I was just gonna say,
Aren't you always?
yeah.
now. Always busy.
Yeah.
I feel like the only day we're not busy is Sundays.
Oh, really? Pull forward.
Here are those 2
Okay.
zeros for you. And then I'm going to have you pull forward quick on the right hand side.
Awesome.
Reserve for drive-thru. We'll bring everything out soon.
Thank you. Jesus Christ. I just don't want to be blocked in here.
Just back in.
Well, it's too late now. Not really. You see that red car that was literally so close to me that you couldn't even see it? That's how close they were to me?
Mm-hmm.
Am I straight? I don't know. I have to go pee. You guys, good morning. It is the next day. What time is it? Let's see. Ooh, 9:33. Angel numbers. Love to see it. It is October 30th. Today does not feel like Sunday. It feels like Saturday still. Yesterday, we had a lot of fun at Kaysen's birthday party. So many people there. The decor was so cute. The little kids, I literally cannot. They all look like they came out of an H&M kids commercial. Like, I'm not even kidding. So freaking adorable. And they were all like so well behaved. I did not hear one kid cry, throw a tantrum, no nothing. So that was a lot of fun. We got Chick-fil-A last night, which was so good. So I really want to chat with you guys really quick and catch you guys up to speed on the disaster that was yesterday before and after the party. Like, I don't know what was happening. Honestly, so grateful because it could have been so much worse. But wow, things really went left. Yeah, left. Whoa. Okay, so first thing that happened was my mirror, the one in the living room, literally smashed and almost fell on my baby girl Chloe. Like, literally almost smashed her. Thank God my lantern was like next to it. Otherwise she would have been done, not dead, but you know, well, who knows? I don't know. It would happen so fast but so slow, and it was a complete disaster. Scared the absolute fuck out of Derek. He was in the shower when it all went down, so he only heard the chaos that was going on. Like, I can only imagine what a hot mess we looked like. If you could have been a fly on the wall, we probably would have given you the laugh of your life. So let me break it down. Me and Chloe were playing like we always do. She loves playing with bobby pins. I slid one really fast across the floor, and she was running after it so fast. Boom, slams into the mirror like pretty hard. Like, that was my first concern. I was like, oh shit. And as that's going on, I'm yelling, Chloe, no, 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 yelling. And while this is all happening, I'm literally running towards her to save the mirror from falling on her. My main concern was Chloe. I didn't give two fucks about the mirror, but I figured, oh, if I save the mirror, it'll save Chloe. You know what I mean? But you guys, my brain and feet were not working together. They were both moving so fast that I literally tripped and fell and ate shit. And again, thank God I had that lantern there, because you guys, Chloe did not move. When she bumped into the mirror, she like froze still and was like almost laying on her back looking up at the mirror like, what is going on? And then me yelling her name and coming towards her. Like, I think it was just all so scary. By the time the mirror fell on the lantern, Chloe had already moved, because by that point she realized that the mirror was falling. So she had ran, no glass like shattered on her or anything like that. And then we have Derek running into the living room completely butt ass naked, like, what is going on? And he sees me on the ground, the mirror broke, Chloe in the other room. He's like, what the fuck is going on? And he thought I hit my head on the corner of the coffee table. Like, he didn't know what was going on. So yeah, that happened probably about an hour before we were supposed to leave to the party, okay? And then we get back to the house. We start heating up our Chick-fil-A, and our handle to the microwave completely broke off. Just completely broke off. So now it's a struggle to open up our microwave, and I am really not looking forward to calling the property management tomorrow. So yeah, I'll update with you guys about that when the time comes. Oh, and before we left for the party, while I was getting ready, my straightener fell on the cord and literally fried my straightener cord. So not only do I need to buy a new mirror, but I need to buy a new straightener. Thank God it still worked enough so I could finish my hair before going to the you guys, it was just a hectic day. But again, so grateful that I can just buy a new mirror, buy a new straightener. Nothing's wrong with my baby girl Chloe. And you know, our microwave still works, and I have one in my garage if need be, depending on how long it takes them to replace. So yeah, that's the little update. Just got done with the gym, and now I'm at Fred Meyer. I need to pick up more strawberries. What's new? And I want to check out their clothing section because I have not done that for fall and winter yet. So yeah, that's a little update. Things have been hectic, but we survived, and it's all good.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression.
What is up, you guys? Back at home, but it's a little bit later. It is currently, oh, what do you know, I can't tell the time because the power went out. That's right, just went out. I want to say like probably 15 minutes ago. It's 12:52 right now. And they actually sent me a text, which is very sweet. I feel like they never used to do that. But yeah, they said that they are working on it and estimated time around 2:30. So yay, we love that. No, honestly, cozy rainy vibes, and my phone is fully charged, my laptop is fully charged, so we're good to go. I'm about to make some breakfast because I have not eaten anything since I had Chick-fil-A last night, and yeah, I'm hungry. I would love to make some coffee, but I can't, so we're just gonna have to do without. I want to say hi to Chloe. Come here, baby. Come here, mamas. Come here. Oh, my girl. My girl. My girl. Say hi. Say hi to your friends. I love you. I'm so glad you're okay. Want to say hi? You're like, no, get down. Want some water? Let me turn the sink on. Want the water on? I love you so much.
In a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve.
What is up, you guys? It is the next day, so you know what that means. It is officially Halloween. I'm seriously like in shock. I cannot believe it. And yeah, today's just been a really chill, relaxing, but productive day. I just got my video up, I want to say like a few hours ago. My fall taste test, finally got that up for you guys. But anyways, yeah, it is currently, what time is it? I don't know if, oh yeah, okay, that clock is right. Sometimes it's a little off, but it is currently 5:21 p.m. you guys, and we are yet again staying home, passing out candy to the few trick-or-treaters that we do get. But honestly, it's been raining all day, so it just, Halloween kind of isn't really a vibe this year. It's on a Monday, it's raining. We're just gonna stay in and watch an old movie on Disney Plus. Like, that has been the vibe in our house. We have been getting off on all of our favorites. It's been such a good time. And yeah, I'm gonna order tacos. I'm gonna call when I'm in here, that way I can just go pick it up, go home. Derek doesn't know I'm getting tacos, so that'll be fun and fresh. Let's go in. The parking lot is full, so I feel like it's gonna be a madhouse in here. The trees are absolutely stunning. I will of course show you guys some aesthetic b-roll on the way in, and let's go see what they got. Hi, pick up to go?
To go next.
Kayla?
Kayla and line, you call.
Yeah, I called.
Yeah,
I called.
Kayla?
Yeah, Kayla.
My prayer is only if you call, I'll reach that jump. My will be done before I left here. Hold me down at the minute, I know. If you're in touch with me, I'll give you my all. I went hard when I was in it. If I can be alive, then I'm wishing I'll forgive you. Find my wings, lift me up and turn me to something. And oh, find my wings in the time I have, as long as you keep me functioning. Stay with me for a little while. I traded it for a second now. 30 is way too small for this, the massive expanse of life. And I remember when I opened pills to take 12. Health is a cure to the curse, and lately it saved me from myself. So I refuse to be reckless with my health, dreaming up for the mission. You cannot touch me when I get on pushing mode. Just me to you, they won't get involved. I'll take a heavyweight to the wall. Oh, my fingers fall.
But yeah, let's go in the parking lot. Okay, so the reason why I don't show you guys the label is because this is an airborne product. I do not support this company. I get products from my sister-in-law. I try them out. Some of them are good, some of them are not, but I would never recommend this type of situation. So that's why you don't go see the label. And I'm only using this as a moisturizer because it's the only thing I have. It does the job, I suppose. Ma'am, excuse me.
That are happening now. Where did faith come from? You are born with the characteristic of faith, for it is inherent in man.
No.
I mean, like, you bagged them? No. Oh, okay. I was like, that would be awesome.
Those were both killed before I was born.
Okay.
Oh.
By people you know? Or?
No, so one of my old employees, Scotty, who your dad worked with, he was the
Oh my gosh.
An old guy that he was friends with.
So many people there. The decor was so cute. Gross.
Oh, why are you so sad? Oh, baby, what's wrong? Oh, honey, why are you so sad? Oh my God, baby. Oh, you guys.
I don't get why everybody works outside. Like,
I would hate that.
yeah, me too.
Like wintertime and shit. Fuck that.
If my laundry does not shut the fuck up. Jesus. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. Yep, just forgot my phone. No big deal. No big deal. Yeah, So yeah, that's a little update. Things have been hectic, but we survived and it's all good. So I will catch up with you guys whenever that is.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me.